Hey friends, my name is Science Expert Mel, and today I'm going to take a little break from doing some homework and I'm going to go do a fun science experiment. Come with me! So for this experiment, we only need 5 household items. So grab your adults and see if you can find food coloring, dish soap, some Q-tips, 2 bowls, and some 2% milk. And then you can also try this experiment with homo milk, with 1% milk. You can definitely play around with it and see how things are different. So I started off by pouring milk into 1 bowl, and I'll do that again in this one. So I'm using red and green food coloring. You can use any colors, the more the merrier. And we're just gonna put a couple drops of each. Next, we're gonna take our Q-tips and we're gonna dunk it in our dish soap. Now this is where the magic happens. So we can see that the food coloring is kind of just sitting on top of that milk and not really mixing in together well. Well, this is where our dish soap comes in. So we're gonna dip our Q-tip into the dish soap, and then we're gonna tap where we put that food coloring and watch what happens. Then you can keep doing this a bunch of times. You can add more food coloring, make a bunch of different art. You can make a galaxy, whatever you want. Well, milk actually has fat in it, and the fat is held together by bonds. And it's kind of like the bonds are holding on to each other really tight. And so that food coloring actually floats right on top of those bonds, the fat. So when we dip the dish soap into the food coloring, it actually breaks apart those bonds. And then the food coloring is able to mix and make beautiful art inside your bowl. We can also talk about surface tension. Surface tension is a force that's kind of pulling all the molecules on the surface of that milk close together. When we put the dish soap into the food coloring, it's kind of breaking apart those molecules that are being held so close together, and then the food coloring is able to spread out. So that's how it's done. Thank you for watching, and I hope you guys have an amazing night. I'm going back to my homework now.